Hello everyone, welcome back to maureenfabs channel. It's me, your girl. Hope you guys are doing great. Beautiful day to you all. So guys, today I'm so happy, I'm super excited because I have a wonderful gift, amazing gift from Danny and his wife, from my son and his beautiful wife. They got me a gift, an amazing gift that I wanted. You know, it has been something that I wanted, but I told them and they got it for me. In fact, may God bless you, two of you, Danny and Sam. May God bless you richly. May God bless you abundantly. May you never lack. May God increase you in all sides of life. God, you don't know how happy I am for this amazing gift that you guys got for me. I'm super excited. So guys, I just like to share this video with you all, you know, because I'm going to unbox the amazing gift that I have. I'm going to unbox it, so I decided to share this video with you all. You know, it's something that I really wish to have in my kitchen, and which I got it. Though it's a bit expensive here in Greece, to get a very good one is a bit expensive here in Greece. In fact, when I even got it, I have to pay extra charges from the post office to claim it. So, but it's really worth it. It's something that worth it. I know you guys are like, what is this gift all about? Show us the gift. So guys, I'm going to bring the box right here. I'm going to unbox this my amazing gift. I'm going to share this beautiful video with every one of you. So guys, I just want to also thank all my returned subscribers. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support from the beginning of this channel up to this moment. In fact, you guys are wonderful. You have been helping me. You have been supporting me. I appreciate you all from the bottom of my heart. So guys, don't be in a hurry. Just take your time, relax, keep calm, and enjoy this gift, or this amazing box that I'm going to show you all. So guys, keep calm and let me bring the gift right here. Wow, guys, this is amazing. This is so beautiful. My instant pot, guys, you can see this is my instant pot and it's dough. You can see it, guys. This is so beautiful. So guys, this is my instant pot. Guys, you can see it. Let me take it close to the camera. My instant pot. I'm just going to unbox my instant pot. In fact, I'm so happy. I'm very happy. I'm excited for this beautiful gift. I just want to thank Danny and Sam. Thank you guys for this amazing gift. In fact, my heart is full of joy. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. You know, when you guys said that, okay, you are going to buy it and send it to me, you use it as a gift, I was like, wow, it's quite expensive. They said, no, we can afford it. Guys, may God bless you richly. Danny and Sam, you guys will never lack. God will continue to increase your pockets. God will continue to enlarge your coast. You guys will never lack. I really appreciate this gift. Even though when it arrived, the post office asked me to pay some extra charges, it's really worth it. You know, it's worth it. It's something that I want to get, you know. I'm so happy. So guys, I just want you to relax, keep calm, and let me show you how it looks like. I'm going to unbox it right now. Yeah, I'm going to unbox it right away. Here we go. So guys, I'm going to unbox it. Let's see. Yay. Wow. So guys, you can see it's Small Kitchen American #1 appliance brand. You know, this brand, though they have different types, you know, they have different types, but this particular one, this Instant Pot, you can see here is written dough. This particular one is for multi-use pressure cooker. You know, it's 7-in-1. It's 7-in-1, and you can use it to cook 13 present program for soup, beans, rice, ribs, and more. Different types. You can use it for different type of things, and it's so amazing. It's quick and easy one-touch cooking. In fact, I don't know. I'm so excited. So guys, before we continue, before we start to open it, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, guys, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, hit that subscribe button. It's free of charge. Just hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel now. Support your girl for me now. Support me, please. Leave your comment in the comment section below. Like and share my videos to your loved ones. And guys, if this is your first time of coming across my channel, don't only, you know, watch the video and go. Leave some comments. Let me know that you are my new fan. Yeah, in fact, God bless you all. You that you are coming back to watch my video. God bless you all for me. So guys, I'm going to unbox it right away. I'm going to unbox it right away to show you guys how it's actually inside. I'm going to unbox it. In fact, since I got this gift, my kids are like, Mommy, when are we going to open it? Mommy, when are we going to open it? So I decided today, I told them that, okay, when I'm less busy from work, I'm going to open it. So today, I'm less busy, so I said, okay, let me open it so that I can have peace of mind. I wanted to take my time to open this amazing Instant Pot. I think here is the manual. I think it's in English. Yeah, it's in English. Here is the manual, the start guides, and so I'm going to go through them one by one. Before I start using it, I have to go through them one by one, because when you got something that is very, very important to you, for me, when I have something that is very, very important to me, I take my time to go through it very, very well before using it. Wow! In fact, it's so big, eh? This is I don't know, I'm short of words. It looks so big. Wow. Oh, this is, oh my gosh, what is this? Whoa, this is, oh guys, you can see this is big and it's heavy. Yeah, it's big. Wow guys, this is big. I don't know, it's this big. I thought it's just it's something very, very small. Actually it's big. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. How many liters is this? I have to see. Wow, this is, it should be 8 liters. 8 liters. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let me, ooh.
Telia.
Telia. That's a Telia. Wonderful. Wow. This is amazing. Wow, I think this one is for grilling. Oh, this is
very nice. Very shiny.
Yay! In fact, you can see. Oh.
Can I see it? What?
Wow. This is
Very.
wow. This is almost 3.5 liters. You can see it's almost 3.5. Look inside. Whoa!
What?
Wow!
Not
Instant
believe-
pots.
Man, not believe it.
This is instant pots.
Man, not believe it.
This is wonderful. Oh, I'm so happy, guys. I'm super
Imagine
happy.
this thing, you see it now.
Wow. So yeah, you can see.
All the time you will open.
You can see. Here is to start, delay start. Here is to cancel. Here is pressure cook, keep warm, pressure level, slow cook, poultry, beef stew, meat stew, soup broths, yogurt, steam, porridge, multigrain, and rice. Wow.
No. Let's check this.
I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Yeah. I'm so happy. Hey. In fact, guys, I'm happy.
Wow.
I'm so happy for this gift. Sam and Danny, God bless you for me richly. God bless you richly. I really appreciate this gift. In fact, this is the best gift I have received this year, 2021. This is the best gift I have received in this year, 2021. In fact, I am very happy. From the bottom of my heart, I say a very big thank you to you guys. You guys are amazing. You know, you guys have shown me true love, and I'm very grateful for this. I can't wait to start using my instant pots, you know, to make different orishi, to make different different cooking, I can't wait. I'm so happy. In fact, I don't know what else to say. Hey, my instant pot is here. My instant pot is here. Wow, oh shit. What else? So guys, wow. In fact, this one is the big one, but I don't know if there is small size, but this one is I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Wow, guys, thank you so much. You can see it, guys. This is instant pots. You can look at the inside. You can see it. This is so amazing. This is so beautiful. Wow. So guys, we want to try it. We turn it on to see how it's working. Let me just have a seat. Let me see. You see here it's written off, and let me see.
It's working.
Like rice, and we want here is less, normal, and more. Okay, auto. We don't want auto. We want pressure level. So I'm going to
You don't know how to start.
I don't know it yet. So I'm going to just I'm going to read the I just want to see how it's. Wow. You see, it has a sound. When you want to unlock it, it makes a sound, and when you lock, I'm so happy. Yeah, I'm so happy. I'm so happy, guys. It's okay, Lisa. I'm so happy, guys. So I'm going to let me try slow cook.
Wait,
Slow cook is like 6 minutes. Okay, let's see. Let's say 20 minutes. let's say 20 minutes on the pressure level. See?
Is it bad?
It has, I think it has started working. I think so, I don't know. But guys, I'm going to read it very well. I'm going to read the manual and how to use it. Then I'm going to test it. Maybe first, what will I cook with it? What will I cook with this first? What will I cook?
Rice.
Let me think. I'm going to try the white beans. That is very hard to cook on normal gas. I'm going to try it with it. That is what I'm going to try with it first to see how it works. Wow, this is amazing. I'm so excited. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. And here the steam can come out, you know. The steam, the venting, they can come out from this place. So this is amazing, guys. This is amazing. So guys, leave your comments in the comment section below if you like this. I'm so happy. I'm so happy, guys. I'm very, very happy. I'm grateful for this. I'm very, very grateful. So guys, watching this video till the end with us, we say a very big thank you once again. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please guys, subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button. Hit the like button. Like and share my videos to your loved ones. Stay blessed. See you next time, my next video. Bye for now. Bye.